lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video it is a mixture of stuff, some that I don't remember. I really don't know what's in the box. I will buy it and remember, or it was sent to me. And there's some other stuff that was sent to me by no other than your skincare. So let's get into it. So the first one is an identical envelope. So these are your skincare products, right? Their signature envelope. So it's two things in that. So the first thing, oh boy, one thing, them go really sturdy. Let me not cover the mic. Them glue really sturdy. Oh my god. Now I'll tear this something. So they sent me their invisible matte finishing powder. It's neat. I like the pack. I like how it them package it and thing. I like it. Hold on, I won't open this now. You get a nice little applicator, nice little sponge, right? Nice little mirror to know what you're doing. And here it is. Right? So we'll be testing this out soon. Right? So testing this out first, you can see how it does as a finishing powder. Right? So what's this now? What is this? What is this? Why am I think this thing bigger? This is small though. It's quite small. So this is the Your Face Mask. Right? So we smooth over clean skin, avoid eye area, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes in a relaxed position to let dry, and you remove with a damp cloth. It's a 30 gram or 1 ounce jar. One thing with them something always fragrance free, so it's good for sensitive skin. But the consistency, not bad. Oh, may I smell? You know, I'm not saying about may I smell something because you're not scenting, may I smell everything. I smell all the ingredients then. I'm gonna say the better night powder. But we'll try this. So I'll definitely try it. I'll do a video. Probably like a nighttime routine, you know. Updated nighttime routine. I may tell you how you see it and basically how it feel and everything. So these are two things from your. I think there's one more stuff that I got. Give me a second. Okay. Wait, Jackal. Alright, so it fell out the bag. So I guess the glue was not on this. How many times so it's not my turn with the box size. I'm sorry. So this is the, it has some glitter in it. So this is the your, what is again? What is this again? Hold on. Is that primer? I think it's the primer. Yeah, pore minimizing primer. It actually has some glitters in it. It look alright. So if I keep forgetting they don't have any scent. So yeah, so I'm going to try this and this together when applying makeup. But me like how it's glitter nice though, not a no lie. I'm going to try these and let you guys know. Alright, so what else was in that little bag? Um this is the changeable fantasy makeup palette. So let us see. Let us see all the colors them show up in this. Ooh, this is nice, you see? It's cute. Okay. Alright. So these are the colors. So yeah, I like the matte and the shimmer and thing. So you probably won't see the video as yet, but I will be attempting to apply makeup, right? So I'll also be doing eyeshadow. I'm very nervous. I'm really nervous because yeah, you'll see that video. I'm very nervous even upload it, but you see all these show on the eye. Yes, this now I saw this on TikTok. So it's a mirror. So currently I'm using my front facing mirror. Yeah, but currently I'm using my front camera, right? I'm using my front camera to film my videos because I don't know if there is a back camera, which they say is the better one. It is the better one. I don't know if I'm lined up or software properly. So wow, introducing a camera. So introducing a mirror. So it comes with this clamp. I bought the one that has the covering. So the next one, it didn't have any, the edges weren't covered. So it could be a hazard, it could be sharp. So I got the one that actually the edges are covered. Right? So you just simply just snap this in. Please snap in. Right now, snapping. Okay. So I just simply snap this in, tighten it, and it's bendy. And this clamp is very sturdy. Oh my god. So I'll try to see how I can clamp it to my tripod so I can see what's going on, right? With the when it's filming with the back camera. So yes, I'm going to try this. I will let you know. Alright. So that's that. That's all that is in that one. Oh, this. I purchased this some time ago. I'm pretty sure it said expire for me. I know these things tend to expire. So this is the sister. It's a sparkling lip gloss. I love it. I seriously love it. Time is running out, so let me just pause this. You see? In apply good, in a hurry up. But you see, it's sparkling nice. You see, it's pretty nice. Watch your brows. Yeah. So I tend to just sometimes. I sometimes just wear this alone without any additional lip work, because you must realize by now, so I'm a simple girl. I'm not the one that will wear makeup 5 days a week or 7 days a week. I'm not that person. Probably because I know my line of work, I need to be in AC if I wear makeup, right? So I leave makeup for like special occasion. So most times if I'm going somewhere regular, I just put on this and do my brows and that's it. That is it. Especially if I'm going to be in the sun. No. So I really like this. It's the shade Supernova, right? So it's on the website, Sister Cosmetic website, but it's also on Amazon for the same money. So you can avoid paying for shipping if you have Prime. Just buy for Amazon, I save money. I just don't want the middle one, never want the other one, because I know of how this looks. So I can discard the one before. Sadly, like they're both about 3 years now. Now pinch it. So this box, I don't know what is in this box. They're here, they are here, they are here. This is the Patrick Starrr One Size. Stop! It was oh my gosh, the excitement. Twenty. It was, they call it. It was they had a promotion, right? So it's like I compiled, or I chose my glam. It's like a glam skit, something like that. Anyways, so this is the lip snatcher, one size lip snatcher, right? So, oh my, Jesus Christ, this nice bud. This nice, oh God, look at this. Look, this is what I'm going to be honest with you. Because my ex might understand. Jesus. This just nice bud. Be cutie, man. Might use this later. Later as in for the makeup video, which you guys not going to see same time. This, no, I know of this, right? So this is the Secure the Blur primer. Okay? Secure the Blur primer. This is the One Size Fantasize mascara. Okay, cool. No one size of one with them stuff. Watch packaging. Watch packaging. So I originally was going to purchase these two things. Let me show you. Because this is the Until Dawn, the setting spray, right? It's like a finishing spray, to be honest. So I was going to buy these two. And a good thing for the girl though, by same time, because few days later they came out with this, the glam kit or whatever they call it. So these two were in it, and no, I think these three were in it, and I chose this, right? So yeah, and I basically won. I basically bingo because I saved some money, right? So they're finally here, and we will be trying these in another video. Okay, so it's going to be One Size and Elf video. Stay tuned. So what else? Oh my, how much time? You know what? Okay, go over 20 minutes. Let's see what is in this. Alright, so rotted. You come on, this drop and broke. So this is Top Shelf, Her Loss, From, anyways, Top Shelf, Her Loss Cologne. It's Please Baby Don't Go. This was sent to me to review. Let us review it. Now, as the girl is pro, they come on to fragrances. Well, not purple. What I get me? I love fragrances. No, this is baby go. This is baby go. What the hell is this? Me not like it. Jesus, me can't give me a headache. I'm gonna explain to you what it smell like because it does not smell good. I don't know what this smell like. I don't know what it smell like. Enough woman still. Yeah, this is better. This is her loss. I don't like this. Like, you can go, baby, with this type of cologne. You can go. You can go. Me can't explain it, people. Me just can't explain what it smell like. It musky? Me don't know, but it's probably straight. Yes, it's musky. Me not like musk. Me not like them scent there. Anyways, cinnamon in the next box coming up. That is not for me. I want more people let me say no. You think about it. Me think about it. I will think about what to tell them about this. What is in this now? Oh, alright. So it's all Amazon Wicked though. Look on this. Make sure show on the box. Look on the box here. Look at this box with this. Like seriously, couldn't put on an envelope. Maybe I spend so much money. I'm looking, man. Anyway, this is the Milani Make It Last Natural Finish Setting Spray. So, me hear people say if you spread the filth in between, probably lady the liquid aspect of the makeup spray, and then you put on the powder aspect of the makeup, and then you seal it off with your finishing spray and your setting spray, and it does stay and stick. So I have the dewy one, but I see on YouTube, I see on TikTok where they use the original. So for the in-between thing. So guys, we have come to the end of our video. Yes. Please follow me on all socials at Petals Discovery. On Instagram, everything. All social media platforms. Just type in Petals Discovery. You'll see more. So yeah. See you in the next video pretty soon. Very soon. I'm going to try to upload probably twice a week. But yeah, thank you. Bye.